Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing a set of Advan TC4s that I recently picked up. So I got a set of these for the FRS. So it's 18 by 9.5, it's 5 by 100. The offset's 45, and you can see the color is black gun metallic. And ring, so there's a machined lip that these wheels come with, which is really nice. So there weren't too many videos online that I can find on these wheels, so I just thought I might as well just make one video with the last set that I opened, just so that people know what they're getting into when they buy a set of these. So in the box you get just a maintenance manual, nothing really too important. No cover here, and a styrofoam cover to protect the face of the wheel. I personally think these wheels come better packaged than the Rays. You also get a valve stem in the bag, and you also have your spoke sticker in the bag as well. So these wheels were designed to replace the old Advan TC3s. So they still have the traditional 5-spoke design that you normally see in the TC series, but a little bit more modern twist on the TC3 design. So if you look closely at this wheel, they remove a lot of the material on the spoke to remove weight. So like in this area here, on the edge here as well, and even on the back side. They are pretty aggressive with the milling of the spokes on this wheel. So I looked on videos online, it looks like the old TC3s came in at about 20 to 20.5 pounds, and I recently just weighed these, and it comes in at about 19.2. So quite a light wheel. Obviously it's not as light, not the lightest wheel that you're going to get, but honestly with a non-forged wheel you don't want to go too light, otherwise it may be prone to cracking and possibly even breaking on the track. So it's definitely a good looking wheel. You can see it has a machined lip, which is really nice. A pretty nice touch that the TC3 didn't have. And then you also have the Advan logo. It's kind of polished out and then clear coated over. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly put on the spoke sticker, so you don't put it in the wrong area. So how you know you're putting on the right spoke is wherever the valve stem is, it's going to be the top right spoke is what you're going to be putting the spoke sticker on. So really simple. You want to get it aligned properly, and luckily with the Advan stickers, they're really easy to apply. So if you take a look at the photos, all the video photos and videos that Advan has, the spoke sticker, the number 4 is kind of on the curved edge of the spoke. So you don't want to go too far in, otherwise the sticker is going to go too far into the board here, and you don't want to go too far out, otherwise you're not going to be able to read the sticker properly. So super simple, just peel this little backing off. And then Advan, the way they made the sticker, it has like these kind of like the cardboard kind of stays on, so it's really easy to line up. So you kind of want to make sure that it's as straight as you can get it. And just make sure that the 4 is kind of, half of the 4 is going to be on the flat side of the spoke, and then the other half is going to be on the curved edge. So I guess that's the unboxing of the Advan TC4s. So like I said, there's not many people that run these wheels yet. They're still fairly new, and I think the price point, it's kind of in a weird spot. It's maybe $400 or $500 less than a fully forged wheel, and there's a lot of offerings on the market that offer a really good quality flow formed wheel that is significantly cheaper than this. So I think it's fairly unique. I don't know if I'd be able to recommend it to many people. I mean, I'd probably just go for a fully forged wheel, but let me know what you think. I'll probably make a video once these actually go on the car, so stay tuned for that.